Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn the phrasal verb starting with get. The first one is get along with somebody. Get along with somebody means किसी से बेहतर रिश्ता रखना, किसी से अच्छी तरह से रिश्ता निभाना.
How did you get along with your father and mother when you were growing up?
You don't get along with anybody, do you?
How are you getting along with Sir Michael?
So, are you getting along with the other soldiers in your unit?
I never got along with her, but this is just tragic.
Not long enough in my book, Eddie. Get in the car.
You must get along with राम. आपको राम से अपने रिश्ते अच्छे रखने चाहिए. इंडिया गेट्स अलॉन्ग विद डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज. भारत विकसित देशों से अपने रिश्ते अच्छी तरह से निभाता है.
आपको अपने पड़ोसियों से बेहतर रिश्ता बनाकर रखना चाहिए. इसकी इंग्लिश आप हमें नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए.
गेट ओवर समथिंग. बाहर निकलना, उबरना. बाहर निकलना और उबरना मीन्स टू कम आउट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, राइट? To overcome, जिसे आप कहते हो ना, overcome, the same it is get over.
No, they're still trying to get over the last 1,000 days she's missed school.
Get over it.
Get over here!
You to keep watch, okay? Get over there and keep a lookout.
You're getting over your sickness, remember?
You're just getting over a cold.
Well, Jill just got over a cold.
No. You got over all that. It's cool now.
Don't worry, my darling. I'm sure your friend will get over it.
And I will get over it.
My daughter will get over it.
I got over my problem. मैं अपने प्रॉब्लम से, मैं अपनी समस्या से बाहर निकला. I need your help to get over my stress. मुझे अपने स्ट्रेस से बाहर निकलने के लिए आपकी मदद चाहिए.
आपको अपने गुस्से पर काबू पाना चाहिए. इसकी इंग्लिश आप हमें नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट.
To get down. To get down means नीचे उतरना. Down here is an adverb. So it can take a preposition also, right? To get down from.
I'm not getting down on my knee.
Such a mistake. Okay.
That's why Edgar never got down off that damn tower.
You need to show me what you got. Let's get down.
Well, let's get down to brass tacks.
Put your hands in the air. Please. Get down on the ground.
Like मैं ट्रेन से नीचे उतरा. I got down from the train. वह पेड़ पर से नीचे उतरा. He got down from the tree. चलती बस से नीचे मत उतरो. Do not get down from the moving train or moving bus, right?
वह बस से अचानक उतर गई. इसकी इंग्लिश आप हमें कमेंट कीजिए.
Get into. Get into means अंदर प्रवेश करना या चढ़ना. अंदर प्रवेश करना या चढ़ना. I got into the moving train. मैं चलती ट्रेन में चढ़ गया. It is very bad habit. I don't do, but I'm giving example, right? Hey, don't get into the moving bus. चलती बस में मत चढ़ो. और he got into my room without permission. वो मेरे रूम में मेरे बिना परमिशन का घुस गया.
एक बच्चा कल बस में चढ़ गया. इसकी इंग्लिश आप हमें नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए.
So that's all about the phrasal verbs starting with get verb today. I hope you must have learnt all the phrasal verbs, but do have practice while giving examples, right? See you in the next video with a new lesson, right? Till then, bye.